Here is the Meet the Numbers DVD. It's also part of the Preschool Prep series. All of the DVDs in the Preschool Prep series have won over 100 awards. They've really won more like 200 awards. This was also on the Amazon.com new release bestseller list. And this has one of the favorite characters from Meet the Numbers, Seven. Seven is a dolphin whose name is Seven. And if you look, there are 7 fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it shows that you can watch the video in English or Spanish. And then if we turn it over, it shows you the number 4, which starts out as a black number, sorry. And it morphs into a color red number with a dark red outline. And then that morphs into the character 4. And the character 4 does a really fun scene in that video. And the fun thing about this number 4 is that there are 2 different ways that you can write a 4. One has a triangle on the top, and one is like this, and this character will show you both ways to write a 4. And there's our numbers 1, 2, and 3. There are some parent testimonials back here. This one says, I played Meet the Numbers for my 4-year-old son who could count but didn't recognize numbers yet. While watching with him, my 1- and 3-year-old daughters learned their numbers too. They know all of their numbers after watching this video 3 times. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, there's a disc, and the disc has the 7 character as well. This shows the runtime as approximately 30 minutes. And again, you can watch this video in Spanish as well. That runtime is 30 minutes too. And then we have an advertisement over here on this side for Meet the Numbers. The Preschool Prep Company workbook has a section for Meet the Numbers inside. The coloring book. The flashcards, and that shows you the 4 when it's in the other form. The board book, Meet the Numbers 1 to 10, and the Lift the Flat book. And this shows you down here that there are apps available, ebooks, easy reader books, flashcards, workbooks, and coloring books that you can buy for the Preschool Prep series. And if you take the disc out, which you do by pushing the circle like this, and then the disc pops out, and then you see an ad also for Meet the Math Facts inside. Okay,